The Moon is an astronomical object that orbits around the Earth, and it plays an essential role in regulating the Earth's rotation, tides, and climate. However, if the Moon were to fall towards Earth, it would have catastrophic consequences. The Moon is a relatively large object, with a mass of about 7.3 times 10 to the power of 22 kg. Its gravity is responsible for the tides that we observe on Earth, and it also helps to stabilize the Earth's axis of rotation. If the Moon were to suddenly fall towards the Earth, it would create massive tidal forces that would cause widespread flooding and destruction along coastlines. The magnitude of these tidal forces would depend on how close the Moon came to the Earth before impacting, but they would likely be much more significant than anything we have seen before. The impact of the Moon with the Earth would also release a tremendous amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The energy released would create massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis that would cause widespread destruction and loss of life. The impact would also throw up a tremendous amount of dust and debris into the atmosphere, which would block out the sun and cause global cooling, potentially leading to the extinction of many species, including humans. However, it is important to note that the likelihood of the Moon falling towards the Earth is extremely low. The Moon's orbit is relatively stable, and it would take an enormous amount of energy or some catastrophic event to knock it out of orbit and send it crashing towards the Earth. The only event that could potentially cause this is a collision with another astronomical object, such as a large asteroid or a planet. But even then, the likelihood of such an event occurring is extremely low. In summary, if the Moon were to fall towards the Earth, it would have catastrophic consequences for life on our planet, including massive tidal waves, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. However, the likelihood of this happening is very low, and it would require a catastrophic event to knock the Moon out of its stable orbit around the Earth.